Good afternoon, everyone. So today's topic is creative thinking and problem solving. In grade 10 you would have learned a number of different problem solving techniques, and we're going to go a little bit deeper into some of those. But one needs to start off and ask a couple of questions. What is creativity? What does it mean? So really, creativity is about the ability to think of original and varied new ideas or new approaches. And if we look at the coronavirus that has hit the whole world, it's been really interesting to watch how businesses have tried to come up with original, new, unconventional ways of doing business so that they can still generate an income. So just for a little bit of fun, I'm going to show you a few clips to see if you can start thinking more laterally, thinking out of the box, seeing things that are not the norm. So I'm going to show you a picture. What did you see first? Right, a few seconds. Do you see the man's face? Right? Or do you see the old lady reading a book? I'm going to show you another picture. Again, what do you see first? Do you see a whale? Right, the big white whale? Or do you see someone surfing? It's a little black figure on a surfboard. Right, and just for some fun, here's a riddle. If you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't got me. What am I? And I'll give you the answer in the next video. So really, when we talk about creative thinking within the business context, right, we need to use what we call lateral thinking. And lateral thinking is thinking unconventionally, thinking differently to solve problems, right? Now, not only do we need this lateral thinking, we also need to be able to have some problem-solving skills, which we will look at in more detail. But really, the need for creative thinking, problems within a business environment must be solved as soon as possible. Constant changes in the market impact on business operations, and businesses have to adapt if they want to survive, and they need to adapt quickly and creatively. Just this morning, I woke up at 6 o'clock and I went on a game drive. The company called And Beyond has decided to do video cams of their game drives. And so I can't afford to go to any of those places, but it was a way to engage with future customers. Right, so businesses have to react quickly and creatively. There's always space for improving systems to increase productivity or save cost and to increase market share. Think of McDonald's now. You can go and order, self-order by yourselves on those touch screens. Creative and lateral thinking can help to solve problems successfully. So gentlemen, that really is a very brief introduction into creativity and problem solving and why it is needed in businesses. So to go back to our riddle, I can't wait for the next video. I may as well give you the answer. It is a secret. Have a good day.